Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 15R and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalization. So let's begin with opening the settings, and I'd like to start with scrolling to the top and going to mobile network. Then let's tap on more settings and tap on Private DNS. Now mark specified DNS and here enter dns.adguard.com and tap on save. Thanks to it, your device will limit the advertisements. Let's go back to the general list of the settings and scroll all the way down to find Google. Then go to all services and scroll down to find ads. So right here we've got something which is called advertising ID, and removing it will not limit the amount or the number of advertisements that you are receiving. However, it will remove the personalization. So for example, if you are looking for a specific item, like for example a desk or a lamp, your device will later on show you the advertisements which are somehow connected with this item. So for example, it will show you different variations, different offers, different prices, etc. However, they will be personalized and they will show you the same item. So I highly recommend to tap on Reset Advertising ID, tap on Confirm, and then Delete Advertising ID, and tap on Delete to confirm. And thanks to it, your device will not show you personalized advertisements. Moreover, I highly recommend to remove the notifications. So if you're receiving advertisements in this notification center here, find the app that is showing you the advertisements, tap on it and hold it, and then go to more features. Tap on App Info, and here go to Manage Notifications. So basically, after scrolling down, you can see that the notifications are divided into different categories, and I highly recommend to check it and try to find the one that is somehow connected with the advertisements. So for example, payments, deals, and recommendations. Just tap on the option and then tap on Allow Notifications, so your device will turn off this category. Of course, if you don't need any notifications from this app, I highly recommend to simply tap on this switcher at the top, Allow Notifications. Moreover, I also highly recommend to check for the ad blocks, and I know it might be obvious for most of you, but I wanted to draw attention to the ad blocks. Go to the Play Store, make sure that you're logged in. Just give me a second. Yeah, so make sure that you're logged in and that you've got the internet connection. You can check how to log in using our tutorial, how to add or remove a Google account in this device, and then go to Search. And here enter ad block or something similar. And nowadays we do not have only the ad blocks which are somehow connected with the browsers, but also for the content. For example, here we've got the content blocker, we've got also ad blocker for Android, for the whole system. So I highly recommend to check available options and download those which could be somehow useful. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.